Good morning, good afternoon, o good evening, o anong oras nyo napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Matuto dapat sapagkat ang kalaman ang mahalagang kayamanan. This is a continuation of our previous video, the permutation. So ngayon ay permutation of some objects are alike and then circular. Okay? So yung unang video natin, distinct objects yun. So ngayon ito, mayroon yung ikapareha. Okay? So again, review natin ang permutation is an arrangement of objects in a specific order, and that is there is a first, the second, third, etc. The order matters of the permutations. So again, no, yun po yung ating example, yung ABC and BEC are two different permutations of three letters. So another count, no, ibig sabihin magkaiba pong count nila. So, permutation of n objects, some are alike. So, kapag ano po, mayroong mga kaparihang objects, no? Ito po ang magiging formula natin. N factorial divided by N1 factorial, N2 factorial, N3 factorial, and so on and so forth. Depende kung ilang objects ang mayroon doon, no? So, N factorial, and the N1 is of one kind, N2 is another kind, no? And N3 and so on and so forth. Okay? Ibig sabihin, iba't ibang objects to na mayroon doon. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Problem 1. Permutation of n object sums are alike. How many ways of arranging the word food? So, dito makikita natin yung food, yung OO, parehas naman sila, di ba? So, hindi po natin pwedeng, sino po ang mabaliktad dyan. Parehas lang namang O yan. Okay? There are 4 letters in the word food. N equals 4. And we choose N1 as letter O. N2 letter F. N3 is D. Okay? So, ang N1 natin, dalawa. Kasi dalawa po yung letter O. Ang N2 natin ay isa lang. Kasi isa lang yung F. N3 natin, isa. Kasi isa lang ang D. Okay? So, ito po yung permutation natin. 4 factorial kasi yun po yung total number of the word, no? So, 4 factorial divided by n1 natin ay 2 factorial. So, ang n2 factorial is 1, ang n3 ay 1. Okay? So, 1 factorial is 1. Kaya 1 times 1, 1 pa rin, times 2. So, 2 factorial matitira. So, 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So, makancel po natin yung 2 factorial. So, ang matitira ay 4 times 3. Okay, kaya nagkaroon po tayo ng 12 ways. So, ito po yung 12 permutations. So, ayan, makikita natin na yung food unang-una. So, yung OO magkasama. Yan, kasama sila. Tapos, balik rin lang natin yung F and D. Yan. Tapos, pwede magkasama sa harapan. Pwede magkasama sila sa dulo. No? Tapos, another one, magkahiwalay yung O. No? Separated sila. Yan. So, mayroon pong 12 ways in groupings that all letters na mayroong kaparehas, ganun po ang mangyayari nila. No, kasi hindi po natin pwedeng sabihin kung ilan po yung O na itong mga ba O-dop. Hindi naman pwede nating O sub 1, O2. Hindi naman pwedeng ganoon. Kasi pareha lang namang O yan. So, ganun po yan. Problem 2. How many ways of arranging 7 numbers with 3 5s, 2 3, and 2 4s? Ibig sabihin, mayroong tatlong 5, dalawang 3, dalawang 4. Okay? So, there are 7 numbers. So, n equals 7. And we choose n1, number 5. n2, number 3. And n3, number 4. Ang n1 natin may tatlo kasi tatlo po yung 5. Ang n2, dalawa. N3, dalawa. Dalawa po yung, sabi doon, dalawa yung 3. And then, dalawa yung 4. No? So, ang permutation natin ay ito. Yan. 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So, ang magiging sagot po natin dyan, yan. So, ito pong 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 3 times 2 times 6 din to. Times 2 times 2, yan. So, 5,040 divided by 24, kaya 210 ways. So, pwedeng arrangement natin ay 5555, no? Tapos 3344. Isa lang 'yan, no? Then rearrange mo na lang yung iba. Circular permutation. Circular permutations, permutation that occurs by arranging objects in a circle. Okay. So, ang formula natin dito, kapag circular, ibig sabihin nakabilog lang sila, no? N-1 factorial. Okay. So, to find the number of ways of arranging different objects in a circle, one object should be in a fixed position. So, dapat may isa doon while the others will be arranged. So, kagaya niyan, no? So, circle, tapos meron tayong different objects na umiikot. Mamili ka lang doon ng isang posisyon, no? Na isa lang doon mag-fix, tapos the rest, yun po ang mag-rearrange. Okay? So, formula n-1 factorial. Example. Problem 3 na tayo. How many ways to arrange 4 person denoted as A, B, C, and D in a round table? Mali, di ba, yung mga kumakain tayo tapos ng round table. So, pwede yung iba't ibang seating arrangement saan tayo uupo. There are 4 person denoted as A, B, C, and D. So, N equals 4. So, we place one person in a fixed position, let's say A. So, permutation N minus 1. So, that is 4 minus 1 factorial. So, 3 factorial equals 6 ways. So, that is 3 times 2 times 1. So, that is 6 ways. So, ito yung magiging pwedeng arrangement, pabilog, no? So, ayan. So, mayroong A, mayroong B, may C, may D. And then, pwede naman natin i-rearrange si B, C, D. Ang unang position lang natin sa A, and then, bahala na yung tatlong arrangement. So, pwedeng A, B, C, D. Pwede namang A, D, B, C. Yan. A, B, D, C, A, D, C, B, or A, C, D, B, D. A, C, D, B, A, C, B, D. So, kaya 6 na ways, no? So, meron lang tayong starting position which is A. Problem 4. How many ways can 6 ladies seated in a circle? If, letter A, they can sit anywhere. Letter B, two particular ladies does not sit next to each other. So, yung dalawa, hindi magkatabi. Okay? So, ito po magagawa natin. Sa A, 6 ladies sit anywhere. So, ang permutation, n-1 factorial. So, 6 minus 1. And that is 5 factorial or 120 ways. Dito naman, sa letter B, two particular ladies does not sit next to each other. So, hindi sila magkatabi. So, ang gagawin natin, take two ladies as one. So, tapos, ang arrangement nila, dalawa lang. So, para bang paligtaran lang. Okay? Ganon. So, hindi po pwede itong magkatabi, no? 5 ladies will be arranged. So, yung 5, yun po ang pwede natin ikutin. But yung isa, maging starting point kasi natin yon. And then, alam natin na may dalawa doon na hindi pwedeng magtabi. So, ito lang po ang mangyari. So, 5 minus 1 factorial. So, that is 4 factorial o 24 ways. Tapos, times natin yung 24 sa dalawa. No? So, mayroon tayong 48 ways na kung saan hindi po nagkatabi. So, makita natin, magkaiba po sila doon sa situation A. Wherein, pwedeng magkatabi yung dalawang babae. No? So, dito kasi hindi sila pwedeng magkatabi. Kaya medyo kumunti yung ano natin, yung ating number of ways. Okay? So, this is your activity for this day. Ayan, mayroong mga words na tingnan po natin, may mga nabaliktad na ulit. And try to solve this one. Okay? Salamat sa inyong panonood, pakikinig, at huwag kalimutan mag-share, mag-like, mag-subscribe. No? Pwede mag-comment sa baba, no, if you learned from this video. Maraming salamat. God bless po.